Hello and welcome to this episode on managing the pipeline with Enterpryze. I'm Archie from Enterpryze, and in this session we will cover how to manage the pipeline and the value of the dashboard in CRM. So let's get you started. We're going to start here within the pipeline itself, and this is where you can view and manage your open leads to see how they're progressing through the stages of your sales cycle. You can set filters to view by stage or by month. These will change the columns that you see at the top of the pipeline just by swapping at a click. By month, you will see the month as the column, or if I click on by stage, we're going to see our lead, first meeting, second meeting, and final meeting. Alternatively, you can sort by customer using the filtering box up here, or salesperson by using the drop-down on the left. You can also select the closing month and show stage details with these two tick boxes over on the right. Each stage that you see below will display the number and the value of the leads. Very simply, if you want to move a lead onto the next stage in your sales cycle, simply click and drag it across from one stage to another. Once this is done, you will just need to add in a comment and you can make yourself salesperson, and if you can change the expected closing date. Now just click on Save. If you need to add a new activity in for your lead, just click on the plus to add a new linked activity. It really is that simple. So now let's take a look at the dashboard and the value it can give you. As you can see, there are various calculations and graphs provided around new leads, values of leads by stage, values of leads won or lost this month, conversions, and much, much more. When there is a quantity of leads, you can generally click on that value and go to a list of those specific leads. So for example, if I click on new leads created this month, I can see the list. The dashboard will continue to provide you valuable analysis for your sales cycle. So that wraps things up. Thank you for watching. I hope this will help you with using CRM with Enterpryze. As always, if you require further advice, you can check out our help articles on help.enterpryze.com or feel free to contact support on our chat. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.